Hello, Chef here. So it's summertime. We got this awesome fresh basil. I'm going to make a real quick pesto for you. Of course, you need these ingredients. Fresh garlic in the food processor. Nuts, your choice. Pine nuts, peanuts, almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts. I got a mixture of peanuts and almonds here today. Oh yeah. Gonna be good. All right, so you want to first start with your garlic and your nuts. Next ingredient, extra virgin olive oil. Be generous. Next, we'll be adding some sea salt, pink Hawaiian sea salt. I love it. Good stuff. Ingredient, Parmesan cheese, the real deal. I get this from Italy. You want to put your cheese in there, and wow, it's gonna be good. Next thing we want to do is taste and adjust the seasoning. Oh yeah, that right there is homemade pesto. Okay, just plating up this meal. The finished carrots from the last video. They're looking really, really good. Okay. A couple of potatoes here. Small pieces of marinated grilled chicken. We're going to finish this plate with the homemade pesto. A little right there. A little right there. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, look at that. These carrots are beautiful. At this point, they're cooked about halfway. With my carrots. Garlic. Basil.